I'm Dr. Hamel Solfi-Joly. I'm from University of Tulia, Madagascar, and sometimes I'm working at Municipality of Tulia about water supply, solid waste management, and wastewater management. I got fellowship from FICI under C.V. Raman, and we had some collaboration between Nagpur NERI and the University of Tulia, then host institute, so I came to Nagpur. And then I tried to how is the NERI experience for water supply and solid waste and wastewater management. That's why I follow some discourse and follow some experience in the laboratory of NERI. This fellowship, it's improve my knowledge about wastewater management, because my background is environmental engineering, and then I can compare the advanced Indian science and technology and my country. But Madagascar we are starting the Science and Technology Institute in our university. That's why when I spoke with the director of NERI, and he said you should learn and implement in your country. I think so. Feedback is from Indian is I would like to apply for the water technology, because that we had problem the limon and limestone and contamination for the heavy metals. Then like NERI has experience how is to take the fluoride. That's why I would like to apply in our city.
Perfect.